Welcome 8th graders. You're on task number 4 of the robot research project. This video is going to go over what you need to do for this, and it's watching a video that's in your design notebook. It's called Understanding Robots, and you'll fill in the blank questions that go along with that video. And then today's essential question, which robot from the video fascinates you most and why? So there's 3 different robots that are shown in there, and they're all interesting. You explain which one is the most fascinating to you. So in your design notebook, you're going to go down to task number 4. And when you're there, you'll see it says, watch the Understanding Robots video and complete the fill in the blank question. So for an introduction to this, in this activity, you will watch the video. Robots don't rule the world yet, but no one speaks human like Alice Spot. Find out why she was named the most human computer on Earth. See the advances in robotic surgery, and hear a discussion about Millibots and what these miniature roving robots may be able to do in the future. So for each one, as you watch the video, these are fill in the blank questions. So it may help you to have one screen open of the video, one screen open of these questions so that you can fill it in as you go. They do go in order, so if you miss one, you can obviously rewind it just a little bit to fill in that blank. So the first one is an Alice Spot. The second one is robotic surgery. So they do show an open heart surgery and everything that goes with it. So if you're queasy with blood or seeing that, just beware as you watch that video. It's pretty cool though. And then the third one is Magnificent Millibots. It's about a 20-minute video, and the video again can be found if you go to the top and select Watch the Video Understanding Robots. Let it load, and then you can start filling in the questions here as you go. Once you're done with filling in the questions, you are done with task number 4 as long as you do your daily summary. So what did you learn from this task and an example of success that you had? Once you're done with that, get ready for task number 5.